One I find is that they're paying for modules that they don't even use. So now if it's a core module, it just comes with it, like order entry. It's not an additional cost. But if you have like the fixed asset module, for example, I've found 2 or 3 firms that have that, but haven't ever configured it, don't ever use it. Generally speaking, I think those are the costs that you probably run into more often than not that you could lighten up. I mean, there could also be some transactional costs that could be made more efficient based on automating different processes that would save your staff time. That's another area where you find that there's still labor intensive, or there's labor involved in producing reports in Excel spreadsheets because they've never really gone to have the reports created in Intacct. And along those lines, the issue I see oftentimes is that you have decision makers that don't want to change. So they may have had something that's been produced in Excel for several years that can't be exactly duplicated in Intacct, but you can get close, or maybe you create 2 reports instead of 1 that gets you the same information, but it automates the process on a monthly basis of creating that information. And I find resistance at times of willing to make that change. Again, that would be one that would save your labor time on an internal basis that would save you money.